If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 with your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Over here in Settings, if we choose Connected Devices, then you should be able to find call and text on other devices that we can use and connect with our smartphone. Now in this case, I already have a connection. In your case, you will probably find a button that will allow you to connect with your smartphone. You can also go on your smartphone into the same setting, you should be able to find it as well, and then you should be able to easily synchronize your tablet with your smartphone. Below that, we also have continue on other devices, which we can also use as long as you are using the same Samsung account. It is worth checking out what features you actually have with this option. We have, for example, camera continuity, Wi-Fi networks, copy and paste option, and we can continue working on the same apps. Besides that, what you can also use is the Samsung Flow app, which we can find in the Samsung folder in the app drawer. Over here we can connect to our phone. We just need to simply select it over here, and then you should be able to find your device over here. In case you cannot find your device, then you can choose don't see your device in here. And there we go. So we need to turn on our Samsung Flow app on our smartphone, make sure that Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled for both devices, and if using Wi-Fi or LAN connections, make sure both devices are connected to the same network, and then you should be able to easily find your device, your smartphone over here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.